Tuesday's Take. Today I stand at 215 5th Avenue Northwest as I show you how you really live in a home. Not just pictures, not just 360s, but how you're really going to enjoy this home. Imagine this, after a hard day's work or the hustle and bustle of running kids around, you can come home to this beautiful, relaxing home and just relax. Turn on the TV, read a book, but the main thing is this beautiful home really opens up to just peace and tranquility. The relaxation reading my book is awesome. Oh, but that's right. I forgot, I have to work on schedules. The kids' schedules are so busy. Well, let's head to the office and get that done, Russ. Working on those schedules, it's often hectic with 3 kids. Different sports, different work schedules, and I tell you what, there's got to be time to make time for the chores around the house and time for myself and my significant other. Wow, go figure. I actually have a Friday night off, and even a Saturday morning. Here's what we can really get done now. The spare time I had once I worked out my calendar. I can't believe it. I have time for chores. I'm so excited. Well, what should I do first? Oh, of course, clean the attic out. Why wouldn't I? Whew, what a sense of accomplishment. I did it. Now for some relaxation. After supper, what should we do? Family game night. What a better way to end the day. Okay, I'm gonna go set it up, make it easy on the family, then I'll call them down. How simple. Kids, come down! Thanks for tuning in to today's Tuesday Take. As always, I enjoy bringing different homes to you, and this one, it's more than just pictures, more than 360s. It's really how you live in this home, and as you can see, you'll really enjoy it. Thanks, and as always, the grass is always greenest at RE/MAX Lawn Realty.